do this look or not? Okay, let's hop right into this video. Okay, y'all, so I already started on my brows and I primed my face with Bobbi Brown's vitamin enriched face base. I love this stuff. Y'all know this is one of my favorite things to use. And if you guys want like a detailed tutorial on my brows, please let me know down in the comments. I will gladly do that for you. So let's get into this soft glam makeup look. Now, if you are not into a full face, babes, this tutorial is not for you. So this is for my girlies who love a full face and want their face to last all day long. So I'm using a NARS, their soft matte foundation in the shade Iguazu. This is the perfect foundation for any soft glam look. For soft glam, you want full beat, okay? Look at that shade. Absolutely love this. You know, you can do soft glam with, you know, a natural face. Soft glam is really just like the eyes, but I think it looks way better with a full face. Y'all, if you haven't tried out this foundation by NARS, I'm kind of confused as to what you're doing, sis. This is so good. I love this foundation. It's so full coverage, but you don't feel too cakey. So this is the perfect in between for my makeup girlies. Next, we're gonna go in with concealer. We're gonna go in with the OG Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Toffee. Again, this is a full face. So if you don't like a full face, I'm sorry, darling, this ain't for you. We want our makeup to last all day. So while this is sitting, we are going to go in with blush. Since we're going for like the pinky vibes, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush in the shade Pinky Promise. I think that's pretty fitting for this look. I love a really good pinky blush. It's so amazing for my melanin girls. Like, it just brings out our skin just a tiny bit better. Not that we need it. You see that? It's so beautiful. We're going to go up really high as well, just to give our face just this elongated look. Look how beautiful that looks. Okay, and now the best way to blend out concealer is that you go from the edges of your concealer and then you bring it into the inner corner. And if you're like me and you have these little sockets, you make sure that you look up, okay? Make sure you look up when you're blending your concealer. And I kind of drag mine out a little bit to kind of give that, you know, the snatch look. Now you do not want to drag your concealer. Like, that's not, you're gonna get streak marks. You want to pat, pat, pat. You see how seamless that blends when you're patting instead of dragging? And it just makes it easier to connect and diffuse your concealer. Now, if you're like me and you have a little bit too much on one side, I like to go in with a beauty blender to kind of diffuse it just a little bit more to make sure that it's not too cakey when we are putting on our powder. Just to make sure that the blush and the concealer has like a perfect ombre. There is no harsh lines. That is not cute. And then to set the under eyes, I'm using the Hourglass, their Vanish Airbrush Press Powder in the shade Translucent Deep. We are going to set first, then bake. Like I said, we need this to last all day long, okay? Soft glam look is perfect for date night, girls night, a solo date, whatever it is that you want to do, you know? Or if you're like me, it's perfect for a YouTube tutorial and you take it right off. Okay, right on top of that, we are going to use Huda Beauty in the shade Cinnamon Bun, and we are going to mix it with One Size Ultra Pink. Okay, this is the pinkest looks. I absolutely love this powder and it looks so beautiful on dark skin. Patrick was in his bag when he made this, okay? So like I said, we're just going to just dab a little bit in here, but this is pink. He wasn't lying when he said it was ultra pink. Get a little bit of Huda in there. and we're gonna make our own little concoction. We're gonna get the Huda Beauty first, put it all over the under eye, and then where we put in that pink blush, we are going to just set it right here and mix it in. It looks crazy, but don't worry. It all works out, I promise. Since we want the pink blush and the soft glam eyes to be the star of the show, we're just gonna go in with a powder bronzer. This is Juvia's Place. Their bronze palette in the deep dark. The bronze as usual, not too much. Because like I said, we want the pink to be the star of the show. We want to add some color back to our face. Now while this is still baking, we're gonna move on to the eyes, okay? So we're gonna go in with the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. For our crease shade, we're gonna go in with a mixture of mulberry and cypress umber. I'm going to use Rustic to clean up the edges. For the lids, we are going to use a Dusty Rose in the same palette. This is like the perfect muted pink. And to make this pink pop just a little bit more, we're going to go in with our Morphe Meredith Duxbury collab, and we're gonna take the color Daiquiri just to make it pop just a little bit more. Now, if you want to, you can add lashes. I'm going to do no lashes for this look. So we're going to go in with Benefit Cosmetics mascara, their Fan Fest mascara. If you have like a really cute natural lash, this is the perfect look for it, and I do not have that, which is why I'm doing no lashes with this look. The eyes are done for now, okay? And to dust off all of this, we're going to use the Uma Beauty's, their Hydrolast finishing powder in the shade Brown Sugar to blend everything together and to ensure that there is no cakiness. You just have a seamless blend with everything that you have put on. Bring in back more pinkness to my cheeks. I'm going in with the Smashbox Halo in their Sculpt and Glow face palette. I am using Hot Pink. Like it is pink, y'all. Like look how pink that is. I don't think I've ever used a blush that pink. So I'm a little scared, but I think it will turn out pretty cute. Okay, yeah, that's cute. It's not doing too much. That's kind of cute. Okay, now for the lips, y'all, we're going to attempt to do a cherry lips with this look, y'all. I'm really excited. So we're gonna do a Morphe's lip liner in the shade Richie. To kind of make it a little bit more red, we're going to go in with Estee Lauder's Double Wear in the shade Plum. Then we're gonna go in with YSL's Beauty in the shade Rouge. Beautiful shiny red. And to make it even more glossy, I'm gonna use Thread Beauty's Gloss It in the shade Driven. And that is the end of the look, y'all. Like, you guys let me know down in the comments what y'all think of this soft glam plus a cherry lip look. And I'll see you guys in my next video.